Shakas! Hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a little share. I got my Die Hard Club set from the Stamps of Life for the month of October. And here it is. Oh my goodness, how cute! It's a snow globe! Can you see that? So, Die Hard Club comes with a stamp set and a die set. And if you notice, all of these dies come with a shadow to cut out your image. They also will cut out the stamped images. See that snowman? And the tree, the snowflake, the gingerbread house. How fun! So yeah, stay tuned for some examples. Okay, I'm back. This is what I came up with. And as you can see, so this, let me remind you, this was the die and the stamp set that comes with the Die Hard kit with the Stamps of Life. This is what I did. I put stickles on the trees and the roof. Certain times you can see it. I added the snowflake dies in the back of the vellum and then one in the front. But yeah, so that's the size of the globe. Gives you good reference. If you guys have questions about these dies or anything else maybe I can answer, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe this video, and if you have crafty friends, consider sharing it with them. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. Find more videos here. And until my next video, shakas!